Hi, my name is Adam Simon. I'm a current student at Mohawk College. I'm taking Health, Wellness, and Fitness, fourth semester currently. And today I have a topic I'd like to discuss for my online class. It's Artificial Intelligences and Singularity. So, question one we'll jump right into is how should humans treat artificial intelligence and the inevitable singularity? So, one, I think artificial intelligence is going to happen, and singularity, of course, will come along with that eventually, hopefully not anytime soon. But some ethical and moral rights towards this subject would be unemployment, for one. Once these artificial intelligences do become as productive as humans and have the capacity that humans have to do tasks they can, unemployment is going to be a massive issue in all countries. You're going to be seeing many jobs get taken. One is just anything office work or anything that is predictable to happen. So a predictable job could be boxing bananas, let's say, or even office workers typing in stats. In 20 years, that could be no longer a human job. It could be an artificial intelligence's job. Secondly, would be the rights. If artificial intelligence were to become a thing, which it already is, you see Siri and you see Google, you ask them a question and it will tell you the answer. Calculators, they can be used as an artificial intelligence too. But to the extended rights, when they do become singularity and they are basically humans, they do human jobs, they have human tasks, they talk, they feel everything like a human. How will they be treated? Will there be rights for them? Will they have to pass certain tests, let's say, to be in society? How will they be treated? Will they be racist towards others, even though humans already are? There is many issues for the rights of robots if this were to become a thing. Um, Singularity. So humans right now are currently at the top of the food chain. If artificial intelligence and singularity were to become possibly a thing by, let's say, 2030 or 2045, they could have superior intelligences to humans. And humans, that is what we are known for, is our intelligence. We are at the top of the food chain right now, not because of our muscles, not because of our teeth sharpness, not because we're fast. It's because of our intelligence and our brains. So with these computers that can learn at millions times faster rate than us, what is that going to look like in the future? Will they take the human race possibly out? Because they will be at the top of the food chain if they are superior to us in the knowledge aspect anyways. Second question is, if artificial intelligence is able to pass the Turing test, so that's to distinguish between humans and artificial intelligence, what's the difference? So if you can't tell the difference, basically the same aspect of life, same component. So what ethic models and rights will apply to artificial intelligence? Will it be the same ones that we have? So I think that yes, I think they'll have to follow and obey the guidelines just as us humans do, because they are superior to us. We're going to have to give some sort of guidelines and lay a line in the sand and say, this is as far as we want to take this. We do not want to extend any further. And that's how I feel about it. So question 3, what purpose or function will artificial intelligence serve in society? So there will be a lot of use for artificial intelligence. I can see why this is a booming topic, and there's many advantages to this. One would be accessibility, obviously, time saving, convenience, just many aspects. Instead of having, like, the job thing comes right back into play. Instead of having you go to work into the office and scan some faxes, type in some stats, do your paperwork, you could be sitting at home relaxing while an artificial intelligence does this. Now, is this good or bad? it could be to the right mind. If you are financially stable and you can support this and need this, this will automatically save you time in your day, which I think which is an obvious advantage. Um, so time and usage of time as well would be driving. If driving cars were to be on the road in 10 years, I think even earlier than that, really, imagine the time you can save instead of going from point A to point B. It's constant driving and being in the moment present. Maybe now let's say I can study for my exam tomorrow. Oh, I can write a letter, or oh, I can read a book now in that hour drive, let's say, and save that much more time to benefit me personally. So I can see that as another advantage with the self-driving cars. Some consequences that could apply would be is obviously the superior intelligence is when they do become smarter than us and they do, let's say, develop their own language and they do communicate, and there's a war between humans and machines, let's say by 2050. That's an extreme analogy, but I'm just giving my point of view, which could happen. And then also the social interaction part. If we have all these artificial intelligences around us, will it be really necessary to speak to other humans? We will be so intertwined with artificial intelligences and the way that we use them for everything in every aspect of our life. I could really see even in the future to having soulmates and partners as artificial intelligences that agree with you, that like your own personal beliefs, that like your stuff, that physically you can look at them and you can design, let's say, a woman for me, let's say, that fits my beliefs or what I feel like is attractive to me, I guess. Okay, fourth question. How will the world look by 2050? I don't know. A lot of artificial intelligences already exist. Like I said, calculators, Siri, Google search, all of that is artificial intelligence. I think that's going to be on an extreme note. There will be driving cars, there will be 3D printers. The moral and ethical rights to all this, I feel like we are really forgetting about, and all this technology is just booming and booming and booming. I think we got to take a step back and somehow regulate this and get a grip and get a control of artificial intelligence, because it will become more superior than us. The rate of knowledge that artificial intelligences can learn at is way beyond the human spectrum can even imagine. So by 2050, we could be already destroyed from superior intelligences. I really hope not, but I do believe that there will be 3D printers and everybody will be printing their own machines, what they need, cars, houses, textbooks, shoes, clothing, anything. There will be 3D printers, I believe, by that point, and also driving cars or self-driving cars. And I just hope for the best with human evolution. That's all I have to say on this topic. Thanks for staying and watching. Have a great day.